Hi there, if you've gotten this message and you're watching this video, it's possible that your assignment comments are not turned on, and so we want to make sure that they are. You've probably noticed that during the beginning of the course, during the initial modules, there are discussions and you're interacting with your colleagues and your classmates. However, later on in the course, you'll be interacting with content and more specifically with one of the instructors who will be using assignment comments to comment to you. Now, if you're not sure what I mean by assignment comments, over here under the settings in Canvas, you can come in and you can go to your notifications. And when you open up your notifications, what you'll see is you'll see your email address and you'll see different things that you can turn on or turn off. For example, when due dates are turned on and you're taking a course, this will notify you when the due date is due. If a teacher makes an announcement, you can turn that on so the teacher announcements will hit your record. But one thing that definitely needs to be turned on for both teachers and students is something called the submission comment. The submission comment, what this does is it sends any message in Canvas to your email address. So if a teacher responds to an assignment, or if you make a comment to a student and then a student comments back to you, that's going to come in the form of a submission comment. And if your submission comments are not turned on, then you won't know that students are talking to you. If you're taking a class, you won't know that the teacher is talking to you unless you happen to log back into the assignment and look on the right-hand side where the submission comments take place. And so we wanted to make sure that you knew how to go to your settings, go to your notifications, and then just click on and set your preference for your notifications. Have a great day.